All right, so for today, we're going to be working on a little fall farm picture. A lot of you guys are taking little trips with your families to the pumpkin farms or apple farms. So we're going to do this, and we can still create some texture by making our grass, even in our barn. We can make the roof, the sides of the building. So we're going to go ahead and start working on this. So you are going to start in the middle by just making a little bit of a wiggle. It could be straight or it can be a little wiggle like this. All right, we're going to start by doing our barn. So we're going to make one line here, another line over here, and then we're going to connect them. Okay, it's like we just made a rectangle. Then what we're going to do is we're going to start to go like a diagonal line. We're going to go here and here, but we're not going to make those connect like we would a house. We're going to make the roof a little flat, so we're going to go like this. Okay, and then we're going to add the silo. So top like a rainbow, and then it goes down. We're going to come right here and make a happy face, and then leave a space and make another happy face, and another one, and another one. This is usually made of metal, where they keep the hay, and make those lines like that. Okay, so we have that done. Now we're going to work on the barn. So we want to make a big door. These doors usually are much larger than the doors we go in inside of our house. It has like an X through it, and add your knob. Remember, if you have trouble, you can pause this video at any time you need. If you'd like to add a window, you can. You don't have to. But now we're going to add the texture to our roof. We're going to start at the top. We're going to go like this. And keep going. Remember, texture is the way that something feels. So we can't actually touch the roof, but we can pretend to draw it the way that it would look. And then we're going to add the siding on the barn. So we're just going to make our straight lines across. Don't draw through the door. Come on the other side until we get to the bottom. Remember, just try your best with this, guys. Okay, so our barn is all done. Now you can do your sun. So in my picture here, I have the sun rising like that. It's pretty big, just to be, whatever you want to do. You could have the sun in the corner. You could have just a big circle, whatever you want to do. I'm going to go ahead and add another sun like that to make it look like it's rising in the morning or it's setting at night. I'm going to add the little rays from the sun. Okay, I could put a cloud in the sky. You can if you want. You don't have to. Maybe I'll add another one over here. Okay, and my sky is finished. If you want to add any birds, you could add little birds flying, whatever you like. All right, so now we're going to add our pumpkins. So you guys can put as many pumpkins as you like. So we're going to make almost like an oval, kind of like it's laying down. And I'm going to add the little stem. And then I'm going to make curved lines for the pumpkin. I'm going that way. Now I'm going to switch and go this way. Okay, I could make a smaller pumpkin if I want. And curve the other way, and then you can keep going. I'm going to add one more. Okay, and I have my pumpkins. So now the last thing I'm going to do is add my grass. So we know grass, the blades of grass grow. They're just like kind of lines. So we're just going to add a whole bunch of lines here. I'm going to do it kind of quick. Okay, you can add more. This is just pretty much what I'm going to add. Once you have this, if you'd like to trace with a black marker like I did, this way you can see everything, you can do that, and then you can go ahead and color. You can see, because I traced over those lines, I am still able to see the texture in my grass and the texture in my barn, even after I have colored. So once you have everything colored, make sure you take a picture of your work and post it in your assignment in Google Classroom, and I can't wait to see how they look.